Hello, and welcome to Mind Vomit. How'd you like that quick intro? I threw that together real quick. I didn't want to spend a ton of time trying to edit it, so I just kind of put something together real quick. This video here, I took some inspiration from Nopal 62 on Instagram. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I follow his artwork. He's given me some advice about some things in the past, and I like a lot of his little Star Wars cartoon-like characters that he does. And I have a friend at work who really likes Star Wars and was really excited about the new Boba Fett series. But he was also like into freestyle biking when he was young, and he used to break dance. So I kind of thought that the whole style of Nopal 62 fit this drawing I wanted to do for him. So I tried to do like my own kind of version of Boba Fett on a freestyle bike with a boombox. Also, my friend at work likes Nike sneakers, so I threw some Nikes on him too. And I decided to pull out the old watercolors that if you've seen some of my other videos, I talk about these watercolors from like 1998. They're Dr. P.H. Martin aqueous watercolor paints. I like them a lot. Haven't used them over all that time period of getting them. So I decided to try them out to fill the color and ink it and just give it to my friend just for fun. And I hope you follow along the video, you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.
Not gonna work.
Why didn't you say so before?
I did say so before.
No. Try not. Do. Or do not. There is no try.
Hello, I'm back. I decided to make a little commentary here. I'm starting the watercolor process on this drawing, and I did draw this on watercolor paper. What I'm doing right now, for those of you who aren't familiar with watercolor, is I'm laying down some water where I want to add like a color fade. So wherever I lay down the water, that's where the color is going to kind of flow to. So what I'm trying to go for here is like a blue sky to like sand color kind of fade So I'm laying down water first, then I'm adding the actual color and kind of just spreading it where I want to go. So there's a little tip for you if you don't know anything about watercolor. That's one I learned a long time ago. Just thought I'd pass that on. Thanks for watching.
Always remember, your focus determines your reality.